Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about how to solve a system of equations by using the substitution method. Now, the substitution method requires us to get a variable all by itself on one side of the equal sign. This y in the first equation will be the easiest one to get by itself because it doesn't have a coefficient in front of it, which means it's just 1y. And to do that, I need to go ahead and subtract over my 3x. Doing so will give me a new equation of y equals 15 minus 3x. And this allows me to substitute my y in the second equation with the 15 minus 3x. Which will give me 4x plus 2 times, and now instead of y, I need to put my 15 minus 3x. And then we have is equal to 32. And from here, I need to solve for x. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute first. That gives me 4x plus 30 minus 6x is equal to 32. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 30 to the right hand side, which will give me 4x minus 6x is equal to 2. I'm going to combine my x's. We have 4 minus 6 is negative 2. And then divide by negative 2 gives me x is equal to negative 1. So there's one of my two variables. I now need to find the y. And I do that by taking my x here and plugging it into one of the two equations. Now I think the first equation is the easiest one. So let's do that. We have 3. Now instead of x, I'm going to put negative 1. Plus y is equal to 15. So we have negative 3 plus y is equal to 15. And I find my y by adding 3 to both sides. Gives me y is equal to 18. That's how you solve a system of equations by using the substitution method. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.